In this video, we're going to show you how to do a feeder house raise speed calibration with a corn head. This example, we're using an S700 combine with a 608C corn head. We're going to navigate to main menu, machine settings, calibrations and procedures, header, feeder house speed calibration. We're going to hit calibrate. We need to have the combine on level ground. We need to have it running at high idle. Hit start. We need to have the fore and aft tilt on 0. You press and hold the button. When it gets there, it will continue. We need to have the feeder house resting on the ground. Once we have it down, we'll hit next. We're going to follow the instructions and press and hold the raise switch. And hold it. The header will raise all the way up. At that point, we're going to press and hold the lower switch. The head will slowly drop the first couple times. As we continue through this calibration, the head will incrementally move faster and faster. It will go through this cycle about 4 or 5 times, and then you'll be done.